Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. So guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased TRYZ Shield comb. So guys, just stay tuned with me. After my reviews get over, you will surely get to know whether the product is a legit or a scam. So guys, one thing more I want to share. If you ever been fraud over any product, watch the video till the end. You will get to know how to get back your money. Watch the video till the end guys, and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, just wanted to ask something. Is pandemic a terror for you? Yes, it is, I think so, for the whole world. In this pandemic condition, only PPE kits and shield can safeguard you and your loved ones. So want to explore more about face shield? If yes, visit TRYZ Shield comb. It claims to give you the most comfortable and innovative shield. So guys, yes, as per the latest information, the website ages 2 months and it proclaims to deliver the quality and product comfort. When we talk about the product specification and product pros, we have get many information. Firstly, we're going to see the product specifications. Ultra lightweight, durable design for everyday use. It is innovative and comfortable neck mount design. Reusable, easy to clean with soap and water, and proudly designed, manufactured and shipped in the USA. So guys, yes, when we come to the first point, it states that it's an innovative award-winning design, wraps your face providing a barrier for respiratory droplets and lets people see your face for non-verbal communication. Ultraviolet, lightweight. They designed Z Shield to be protective yet so practical. The lightweight material makes Z Shield comfortable and enjoyable to wear. When we talked about the tilting neck mount, just take a seat at your table and simply tilt your Z Shield down to enjoy your cup of coffee or drinks. Washable and reusable with warm water and soap. Just rinse it, wipe dry, and your Z Shield is clean. And it is proudly made in the USA with approved and high quality and designer. So guys, yes, when we talk about the product pros, we find out that it is innovative, comes with discount, pocket friendly and lightweight. If you buy 2, you're going to get heavy discount. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as it will motivate us to do better. So next guys, we're going to see the legitimacy point of the product. Let's check it out, because it will going to reveal the worth of the product for the customer. So guys, yes, as per our insightful research, the product is 2 months old. Yes, there are good customer reviews and rating available on the Google. Even customer has given 3.5 to 4 rating. Even the brand has great social media experience and presence in Instagram and Facebook with 816 followers. But guys, the product is too new to be trusted and too new to decide their legitimacy. So guys, as per our introspection, we found it dicey to decide its legitimacy because it is too new, just 2 months old. It's very early to decide the legitimacy. So guys, we want our viewers to assist us by sharing their experience and give us a clear picture of the product, so that everyone customer get to know the real picture about the product. So yes guys, till then just investigate and research about the product and share your reviews with us. So guys, yes, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about the video, as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it today. So guys, yes, thank you so much for being such a warm audience and listening to us about the Z Shield. And guys, investigate and research and then book your Z Shield. We're going to come up with the next video soon. Till then, be safe and be informed.